I don't know. Is it correct, sir, what I've said?
Yes, madam. Almost correct. The
Great.
points, whatever you have mentioned, almost correct.
Oh,
Mm. And you have mentioned that though I am puzzled when Jupiter is so well placed, is it because of close degrees with Mandi? Not just Mandi, it is also connected with Mercury in the same degree. One.
yeah.
Second thing, uh, Mercury is an exaltation. It is the good planet for the Lagna. That is different. But at the same time, what is destined as per Jupiter, that will happen. Okay.
Mercury is not
Even
exalted here, but.
not Mercury, sorry, Jupiter.
Jupiter. Yeah.
Jupiter is an exaltation.
Right.
Okay. That is the second and fifth lord. It is an exaltation.
Correct.
Here we should not conclude that it is the best planet. It will not cause any health defects or anything.
Okay.
Okay. Because coin has got both sides.
I see.
Yeah, one side it will do all good benefits. Another side it will also cause the bad event. Health wise, what are all the things destined to the Jupiter that will happen?
Only because it is in conjunction, otherwise it will not happen, right?
What is it, madam? What conjunction?
Because it is in conjunction with Mercury, it will happen. Otherwise, it may not happen. Is that correct?
No. Health wise, Jupiter with whatever planet Jupiter joins, that will give very health defect.
Okay.
That too is an exaltation. It is the Badhasthana for this Lagna.
It is the what?
Badhasthana. That is the ninth house.
Okay, right.
So, one side, if you see Jupiter and Mercury, many good things can be said.
Yeah.
At the same time, health-wise, if you see, that can also be said. Okay. Before that, let us see some of the features of this horoscope. The ascendant lord is in exaltation.
Yeah.
One second. Let me see my chart. The ascendant lord is in exaltation. One. Second thing, it is in Paurnami Yoga. Okay. So, and another thing, it is in Chandra Adi Yoga. And 9th and 10th lords, they aspect each other. Samasabdama. These are all the plus points of this horoscope. Okay. So, see, if it is Chandra Adi Yoga, whatever be the problem, whatever it is, she can handle it. She will have the courage to handle it.
That's true, sir. True.
Yeah, one thing. Second thing, the moon's disposter is in exaltation. So mentally, she is so strong. I really surprised that they have mentioned from 86 to 2002 some worries were there, some depressed state were there.
Yes, sir. A lot of challenges, especially family.
That is different. Mentally, she was not affected. Mentally, she is very strong. She would have handled all the things. All the challenges, whatever it is, she would have handled successfully.
Okay. Because I was told during that Mars Dasha only, there was a lot of family problems, lot of mental stress.
Mental stress, that is the same. One thing, the problems and other things different. How bold she was to handle that problem, that we will have to see. That is very strong. Should have handled all the problems. The stress
she was able to manage the situation as equal as a man.
Yeah, that is because moon's disposer is an exaltation. That happens to be Mars. And another thing, Mars is aspecting moon. Okay. Again, you'll have to see Moon plus Mars that give the, particularly in ladies chart, the Moon plus Mars that give them very strong mental stability. They can handle the situation.
Yes, sir, that is correct. Very mentally very strong.
Yeah, mentally very, very strong. And in fact, Chandra Adiyogam is there. 7th and 8th house, Mercury and Venus are there. That is also biggest plus point. That is also very strong. It's a plus point. And one particular incident I haven't mentioned, that is health ways I have mentioned many things. The dental problem I have not mentioned. She is vulnerable for dental problem.
She didn't mention anything of that sort, sir.
Yeah,
Only
she must be having, no, she must be having
whatever
very,
yes.
yeah, she is very much vulnerable for that one, because the reason is Mars is 19.50, Saturn is 19.28. Mainly that will give the either bone related problem or dental problem. Particularly bone related problem means backbone, spinal cord and other, the end. That problem. And the dental problem is also, she is very much vulnerable. She must be having that.
Okay, sir, let me check that, sir.
Okay, you ask her, definitely she must be having that too. From 2020 January onwards, she must be having very frequently. She must come across this problem many times, because transit Saturn is traveling on the exalted Mars. Okay. And another, yeah, another thing, Jupiter in the exaltation, Jupiter is 6.38, Mercury is 6.07, good knowledge, good teacher, good advisor. She will be advising to many people. She is also a very good teacher. She will be having more interest in teaching something. Finance side also she will be good. Many good things are there because of this, and her daughters, they are also very knowledgeable, because Jupiter and Mercury in any chart, if you see this, you can strongly say that your children will be very intelligent. The native will also be intelligent, children will also be intelligent. Okay, in what way it affects? That is from Jupiter's Dasa. Some suddenly some speech disturbance or some slight stammering or any paralysis related problem or muscular dystrophy problem or any black patches on the skin. These are all the things we can ask. She must come across that period, particularly during Jupiter and Mercury period.
Okay. But this is the major complaint the native told, sir. I don't think she has got.
Okay. See, if she has not told anything about these points and all, no need to say. But these are all the very common things. When we ask, they say yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Another thing, you asked about the insurance money. The transit moon, it is on her 8th house, Ketu. Okay. One. So now Ketu has, yeah, now Ketu has to say about her insurance money. Transit Ketu is heading towards Venus. Transit Ketu is 5.58 and natal Venus is 2.115. Heading towards Venus. In this period, as much as Ketu proceeds further, she can expect. I don't know how long she has been waiting for this insurance money. This period,
many years, sir.
Yeah,
actually many years.
The present period she can try. That will happen. The present period she can try, because transit Ketu is heading towards Venus. It is very obvious in her chart. That is, in this period, definitely she may be benefited, and Venus is also in retro. So Rahu Ketu, I have repeatedly said that Rahu Ketu do not disturb the retro planets. They give only good benefits. In this period, she can very well try. She can try
Sir,
for.
this period in the sense the transit Ketu has to cross the natal Venus or
No. As much as it heads towards Venus, she can expect
okay.
it. Once it touches, she will be getting it. This is the period. Because in this
Sir,
period,
does
she has to
the
take the
Dasha
effort.
Bhukti support that, sir?
One second.
Okay.
One second. No,
Dasha Bhukti is supporting for that, sir?
I will check. 1 second.
So only if the Bhukti
Dasha Bhukti,
supports, then the transit can give the result, right, sir?
even that, say, Dasha Bhukti means from March 15th to April 26th. Mercury Bhukti, Mercury Andram is there. Guru Dasa, Surya Bhukti, and the Mercury Andram. Buddha Andram. That is 15/3/2022. That period to 26 April 2022. This period,
Period of 1 month.
period of 1 month. In this period, very much supported. Not nearly 40 days.
Month. Okay, sir.
15/3 to 26/4, nearly 40 days. She can vigorously try. That is the period Ketu will be closely transiting on that natal Venus. That is in her chart 8th house Ketu. And today's
Okay.
moon is on transit Ketu, natal Ketu. So it
Right.
clearly indicates that the Ketu has to say the result. Ketu is heading towards Venus. She can expect it. That will happen.
Efforts, if the native has to take, that means
She,
give more follow up with the advocate.
Yes. Perseverance should be there.
Okay.
At this period, continuous reminder, continuous talking about it. And it doesn't mean that only in that period she has to talk. Even from in this period itself, she can start. Now itself, she can start.
Okay.
Possibilities are
Fine,
more.
sir.
And you have asked about the peaceful, that and all I cannot say. But only one thing I can say, Surya Narayana worship will definitely help her a lot. Because Saturn
Sun
and
being
Mercury,
HD.
Saturn and Mercury combination denotes Vishnu, and Sun is also there. Surya Narayana worship will definitely help her. And another thing, see, now only I say this, another thing, it is also in Paurnami Yoga. Satyanarayana or Surya Narayana. That worship will definitely give her peace atmosphere.
Okay.
She'll be very peaceful. Always she'll be peaceful. She was in job.
No, sir. Actually, supporting the husband in business activities, and then it went into loss, and there were a lot of
Business was in her name. Because as per her chart, she should not do any business.
No, sir. No, it was not. It wasn't. It was in a general name.
Okay. And another thing, she should not involve in business also, because moon is in 6th house.
Moon is in the 6th place.
Yeah. So she should not be in any business or should not advise anything. Better she can be away from business. One thing. Yeah. One thing. But in fact, the teaching profession or finance profession, definitely that would help there a lot, because basically she is very intelligent. Jupiter and Mercury are in same degree. In the beginning itself, I said she is like a teacher, good advisor.
Okay.
She'll be giving good advice to everyone. Whoever asks, she'll be giving good advice. There are many good things are there in that chart.
Spiritually little inclined also. Got some mantra diksha and all those things.
Oh, very good. Spiritual related, I don't know how it comes. That is because of her own interest, I think. As for the chart, I don't see much.
Okay.
Jupiter is aspecting Lagna. That is the only thing you can say. Rest of the things I don't see much. The 12th Lord is in Lagna itself. Good investment, everything will be there. Whatever amount she gets, she can convert as investment. And another thing, Venus is in retro. She will be having a lot of principles. And the 7th Lord is in Lagna itself. She will be having strong principles about her husband also. He has to be like this, he has to be like that and all.
There were some difference of opinion, and there was actually they are apart. They are not together.
Oh, okay. Okay. Her expectation is over. She will be craving for her husband's support. She'll be expecting a lot. When she doesn't get it, she may have some bitterness or anything, because Venus is the lowest degree planet. That is the 7th Lord.
It is also avayogi, right, sir?
Yeah. This is 7th Lord. And Rahu and Moon, they are in trine. Degree is also close. Little bit of adamancy will be there. Whatever things she thinks, I need to achieve this, she will be having that adamancy.
That too at the expected speed.
Yeah. 8th house Ketu is a good one. And another thing, this also I can say, see, Mars is away from Rahu Ketu axis. Mars denotes husband, one. Second thing, Mars aspect Moon. This repeatedly I have been telling this. When Mars and Moon, they connect, that will give the disturbance, particularly in female chart, that will give the disturbance. So this is the third time I am talking about this. Mars and Moon.
Mars and Moon both are away from the nodes, right,
yes,
sir?
Yes, both are away from the nodes. One, Mars is Moon is getting the aspect of exalted Mars, and Venus is in LD in Lagna itself. So her principle, policy, everything will be very strong about her husband. She will be expecting only as per like. She expects a lot from her husband. When it doesn't materialize, she will be away from.
Yes, that is what.
Yeah.
There were a lot of different way of thinking, different wavelength.
Yes. That is because of Mars and the Moon.
Again, 167 connection is there, no, sir? 167, as you told, married life will be a challenge.
Yes. One. That is also there, but she is so strong because of that Paurnami Yoga. Whatever be the condition, definitely she will swim, and definitely she will get over all the problems. What insurance is
mentally very tough, very bold, like equal to a man.
Yes, mentally very strong.
Yes.
Mentally very, very strong. Okay, what insurance is she expecting?
She told some kind of insurance, or I think there was some injury that accident insurance claiming.
Yeah, she is vulnerable for accident. Okay.
There was a
Sun and
fracture
Saturn.
arm.
Yes, Sun and Saturn plus Saturn and Mars. Okay. Fracture.
Okay.
Fracture in the leg or in backbone or anything, or hip.
Arms, sir. Arms.
Arms. Okay. This
After 2 weeks, she got discharged.
Okay. It happened after 2020 January.
Sir, no. This happened 2002. 2002,
Okay.
July 1st.
Okay. Okay.
So for that.
Okay. 2002.
Yes, sir. July 1st.
See, her affection on father is more. Very, very strong, very.
When she was very young, only she lost her father.
But she used to talk about her father.
Okay, I need to check, sir.
Yeah, you ask her, definitely she will say yes. Affection on father is more.
Okay.
See, when Saturn and Sun connect, that gives affection on father. One, here Ketu is also in trine. Ketu Sun connection or Ketu Sun in trine. Here Saturn and Sun connection is there, conjunction is there, in trine Ketu is there.
Correct, sir.
So affection on father is more. And why I am saying this, she will be expecting everything. She will be expecting the same things from her husband. She will compare this with her father. My father was like this, my father was like that, you are not like this. That type of thoughts will be there.
Okay. Let me check that, sir. I'm not sure.
You ask. Okay. This period she can expect the insurance amount. You would tell her, particularly from this period itself, she can very well take all.
She can start following
up
with the advocate.
Yeah, definitely.
No.
Right now she can start following. Okay. Any other doubt you have? Nima madam, do you want to
These
ask
are the
anything?
4 questions majorly she was asking, sir. So I think.
Okay. Do you think it is addressed? No.
Covered. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah.
And when transit Ketu comes on Mercury, Saturn, and Sun, so I think will it be a major problem because one after other, anyways for health or something, sir?
Health-wise, she has to be very careful. She has to be very, very careful because this is what happened 18 years back in 2002. You said 2002. Okay. This is what happened.
Is this because the 12th Lord is in Lagna, sir?
No. Once again, I'll put this 2002 July 1st, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Ketu was in the same place. The
Oh.
Ketu entered the Lagna. Ketu entered the Lagna. Okay. And
Lagna only, no, sir, not the Tula.
yeah. Ketu entered the Lagna, not in Tulam. Not in Tulam. Right. The present period, she had any problem? Any similar incident? Anything happened?
No, sir,
Then
at present
again,
nothing. Only the mentioned
Okay.
one, no? Whatever I have
Okay.
mentioned, the thyroid, BP,
Okay,
sugar,
okay.
heart palpitation, and the legs, no, it has completely become very weak. No strength in the leg. It's completely
Yeah, that
numb.
is because of Saturn and Sun in 12th house.
Okay.
Okay, that the Sun is also in debilitation.
Huh.
Saturn and Sun is in 12th house. And Saturn is in exaltation. Sun in debilitation. Health-wise, she had that problem. One.
It's been a long-term problem, sir. But isn't it the
Yes.
Dasha Bhukti? Actually, it was not connected, right, sir? Jupiter Dasha only.
Yeah, how long she's having this problem?
The leg numbness is nearly for two years, sir.
Only for 2 years.
Yes, from the past 2 years, she's completely lost. Even if she gets hurt in the leg, she will not even know. The blood will come.
Oh. Varicose? Because varicose problem is also there. That can also be said there.
Varicose, but the doctor did not
You
say
asked
it is
her to
varicose
check about-
veins. The நரம்பு ஒண்ணு மேல ஒண்ணு ஏறிக்கும்
No,
சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல.
possibilities
Is
are
that the
more
one?
because no, the numbness will be there. Even if she gets hurt, if any bleeding, she will not be knowing it. Somebody has to see and tell her.
Yes.
That is varicose.
Because she completely lost the.
Sensitive.
Right.
Okay. Sensitivity is lost. Possibilities are more for that because Venus is also in Lagna itself. It is in LD. Varicose are there.
Okay.
The leg-related problem, I think you ask her to consult the doctor for varicose, and you ask her to take treatment for varicose. Definitely, the doctor must have told her it is there varicose. You check, it must be there. She may not be knowing it. Yeah, she may not be knowing it.
Okay.
Yeah, you ask her
But
to
my
check.
this thing is when the transit Ketu comes on the natal Mercury, Saturn, Sun. So will there be any?
See, every time when it comes, it gives some problem. One, last time when it came, it has given the injury, some fractures, like something. One, what is that? Some messages.
Sarala ma'am is saying she's not able to hear anything, but we are all able to hear.
This time when Ketu enters, in Lagna, when heading towards Venus, she has this numbness. That numbness must have been more from 2020 October, November onwards. But it would have started by 2020 January itself because
for the past 2 years, it's severe, sir.
Yeah, because transit Saturn was on natal Mars.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it, sir.
Any
I think
other
the major
clarification?
questions have been cleared.
Okay. Okay. And you ask her to start worshipping Satyanarayana or Surya Narayana.
Sure. And Lord
Definitely
Shiva
that will
also.
give
Okay, right, sir.
Yeah.
Lord Shiva worship.
Definitely Satyanarayana worship will definitely help her a lot because it is in Purnami Yoga. Saturn and Mercury joined together. Satyanarayana worship will definitely help her a lot. And if it is Shiva worship means she can go to Tiruvannamalai if possible. She can start walking in Tiruvannamalai. That will reduce this leg numbness, varicose. Or
No, she cannot walk anymore like that, sir. But she had been doing
no
once
problem.
upon
At
a
least
time.
At least she
More
can
than
go
10
to
to
15
15 times she would have walked Girivalam.
Okay. Where? Tiruvannamalai. That
Yes, yes. Yes.
Oh. Very good. That and all definitely will save her. No need to worry.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone says anything about this?
Sir, I have a couple of questions.
Yes.
You said moon and sun are aspecting each other, so that is very good. Because
yes. Only yoga.
Acha,
Yoga and Chandra Ari Yoga.
Sorry? Hello?
Chandra Ari Yoga. Yeah.
Okay, but sun is debilitated, but it still works, is it?
Yeah, definitely. That will definitely work. Here, no need to see debilitation. And another thing, debilitation is cancelled because of Saturn's exaltation.
Right, in the same house.
Yeah, in the same house.
Correct.
Even otherwise, only soul sun is there. Even then, it is Purnami Yoga. It is very good yoga.
Okay. And sir, this when a planet is exalted, is it what is the benefit of it, and what is the negative of it?
That planet is the Lagna Lord. See, exalted Mars. Okay, that gives her boldness. She must be very strong. And it is in, I said that it is Purnami Yoga. The moon's dispositor is in exaltation. Mars is in exaltation, and the Mars is also aspecting moon. That gives her very strong mental stability. So otherwise, mental stability is very, very strong. She can handle any problem.
Yes, she has unimaginably, she has overcome all the problems, unimaginable.
Yes. Yeah, that's what you said, that she is like a man.
Exactly.
Yeah, that much bold enough. Otherwise, Rahu is in trine, and the degree is also very close. That Rahu would have spoiled, but here it does not happen.
And what is the benefit of Jupiter exaltation, sir?
Jupiter exaltation, very good advice. She is knowledgeable. She can handle the situation. That gives, generally, see, that's what I asked, whether she was in any teaching profession.
Not teaching,
that,
sir.
Yeah,
but she can counsel others, give advice to others, as you said.
Yeah.
Everyone comes to
that's what I said.
Get suggestions.
Yeah. She said, yes, that's what I said.
Only through life experience. She is not even a grade graduate and all. Through life experience.
Yeah, that can be authenticated. That can be believed. They come with a lot of hopes. Whatever she says, that will be so strong.
Correct.
Yeah.
And Saturn exaltation. Saturn is also exalted. So many planets are exalted.
Yes.
that is why in medical astrology, so many planets are exalted. She can withstand any amount of health problems, hospitalization, if any.
Yeah. So Saturn exaltation will result in what result will it give, sir?
Say one side, negative side, if you say, that will give the adamancy. She'll be so, say whatever I say, that is the rule.
Correct, correct. That's correct.
That adamancy will be there. And Saturn and Mars both are in the same degree also.
But if Saturn, just plain alone Saturn exalted, no benefit, is it? Only adamancy. It's not no positive result.
No, see, we'll have to see in what house Saturn is exalted. It is in the 12th house. One. Aspecting the second house. Already Rahu is in second house.
Yes.
So exalted Saturn is also aspecting the second house. That is spoil the family. That is spoil the family atmosphere.
Yes.
No, that's completely damaged, sir.
Yes. That has spoiled the family atmosphere. That has not given a peaceful family.
Yes.
The exalted Saturn.
And
Okay.
Jupiter in Pushya Nakshatra in 9th house is good, sir, or not?
It's
I mean,
good
does
only.
it become better?
Yeah, definitely it is good.
Okay.
It is definitely it is good. Health wise, it has given some disturbance because it is in Badaka Sthana. Jupiter exalted in the Badaka house. So health
And the
wise, it has given
Gajakesari
some.
Yoga is really working well, sir. Like, even if she doesn't have any income, her daughters are helping her. Her desires are being fulfilled.
That I forgot to say. All the three daughters, they are all very much helping her because
Exactly.
first daughter is Jupiter. Okay. Second daughter is Venus. That is in Lagna itself. And the third daughter, it is in Paurnami Yoga. Moon.
Mercury, sir?
Moon.
Moon.
9th house.
Okay.
5, 7, 9. Okay. So all are supporting her.
Yes, all are supporting.
Yeah. Okay. Any other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Neema madam, any other question?
No, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Sarala madam, do you have any question? Okay. Sir, close பண்ணிக்கலாம். Hello. Sir, நீங்க மியூட்ல இருக்கீங்க.
Yeah. Okay, sir.